Let's dive into division. 170 divided by 2. Hey Math Explorers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome math adventures. Alright team, let's start this division adventure. We look at the first digit of 170, which is 1. We'll use this lonely digit for now. Can 2 fit into 1? Nope, so we put a 0 in the quotient. 0 times 2 is 0. We write it down to see what we have. 1 minus 0 is 1. We're on our way. You're doing awesome. Don't worry if the first step seems small. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Next up, we've got our remainder 1, and we bring down the 7. Hello, 17. We're using 2 digits now, the remainder 1 and the next digit 7, making 17. How many times does 2 fit into 17? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That's 8 times. Great, now 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Write that down. 17 minus 16 equals 1. We found the new remainder. Woohoo, you're crushing it, almost there. Let's grab the last digit and keep the division party going. Last step, here we go. We bring down the 0 next to our remainder 1. Say hello to 10. We're using the remainder 1 and the last digit 0 to make 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? Think of pairs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's exactly 5 times. Perfect, 5 times 2 is 10. Let's write it down. 10 minus 10 equals 0. No remainder left, we did it. Amazing work, math stars, you solved the whole problem. We've reached the end of our division journey for 170 divided by 2. You're fantastic. So 170 divided by 2 equals 85. Great job, everyone! We just tackled a long division problem, breaking it down step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be handled with patience and practice. Keep exploring and you'll become a division pro in no time. That's all for today, super mathematicians. Keep practicing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.